Okay, so now we're on to project 2, and this time, instead of controlling the movement like we did for Phil, we're going to get the bacteria to move all on its own. So again, you're welcome to watch this video to learn more about bacteria, but we're going to go right into this project and remix it. And just like the last project, there is a little bacteria that's already created, but you can go and change that. You can add a backdrop. But we need to get this one moving on its own, which the event for that would be, we do have to do something. We have to click the flag to get things started, but then we want it to move. So we know that there's a motion, a move command that we used before. There's a point in direction command that we used before. But if I do that, oops, and click the flag, like it'll move, but not very much and only in one direction. And we kind of want it to move around randomly and forever. So that's our clue of the next thing we need. Under control, there's a lot of cool things like repeats, forever, conditions, which we'll get to. And so we want to put this in a forever. Now, again, the problem with this is it just does that. And then it's done. So we need to maybe make this more random. So if you go to operators, we have a random. And we know that we can move randomly from 0 degrees to 360. So let's add that in there. Oh, that's getting better. It's pretty frantic though. And so I think I'm going to slow that down. Under control, there's also a wait. 1 second's probably too long. Let's try 0.1, maybe 0.2. Now that's a little slow. I could also just play around with these numbers just to get it to where you want it. Now I'm wondering, there's also a command under motion that is if on edge bounce. So will that help? Yeah, that kind of gets it away from there. Well, there we go. We have a bacteria moving around pretty randomly. This, of course, is not the only way to get the bacteria to move around randomly. So if this was super easy for you, let's see if you can find a different way to get this bacteria moving around the screen. And again, when you're done, you're going to share your project and you're going to click on this link and load it up in the challenge. All right, good luck.